Welcome to our virtual Kingsway College Preview Weekend presentation. My name is Lee Richards, and I am in my 5th year of serving as the president of Kingsway College, and am marking my 35th year as an educator in our church's educational ministry. Over that time, I have seen a great number of changes in the field of education, and have served in many capacities, starting from teaching in a 13-student, one-room, single-teacher school in northern Alberta with a Spirit Master duplicator. Look that one up in the museum. As my most advanced technological tool, to running a fully online K-12 virtual school in one of our western provinces. But I have not seen anything change so quickly as how we have had to adapt in the last month and a half with the onset of the Corona-19 pandemic. And not just in one facet of our lives, but in many. So while for us here at Kingsway it is still business as usual, it is not business as usual. Hence we find ourselves meeting you today virtually because we cannot do it face-to-face and in person. The reason you are here watching this is because you have an interest in your child attending Kingsway College to further their school career in an Adventist educational environment. We are glad to have this opportunity to share with you what this school is all about and what we have to offer. Today, you will hear from our academic vice president, Deneen Sebo, who shares the responsibilities of overseeing the academic program of the school with me and maintaining student records with her staff. She will be explaining our educational program to you. Then I will come back to describe for you what the spiritual and student life is like on our campus. Dominic Jacinto, who has worked here at Kingsway for several years as our senior accountant, but has just taken on the responsibilities of the Vice President of Finance, is going to describe our financial structure and how affordable Christian education is at Kingsway College. Lastly, Greg Bussey, our Marketing and Enrollment Director, will give you the details on how you can go about registering for the 2021 school year beginning this fall in September. Thank you again for joining us as we help guide you through a new experience with Kingsway College.
My name is Deneen Sebo, and I'm the VP of Academics at Kingsway College. Today, I will be sharing with you our Christ-centered academic program that Kingsway College offers. Kingsway College is a fully accredited Ontario high school whose program leads to the Ontario Secondary School Diploma. Kingsway is inspected regularly by the Ministry of Education and the North American Division. Kingsway was last inspected by the government in 2018 and was given the highest term of accreditation possible for the private schools in Ontario, which is 2 years. Kingsway was last inspected by the NAD in 2018 and received the second highest term of accreditation possible, a 6-year term with a revisit after 2 years. This past March, Kingsway had a revisit, and the inspectors representing the NAD were pleased with what they were seeing. Kingsway's diploma requirements are the same as any other Ontario high school. Diploma requirements to graduate from the province of Ontario are a minimum of 30 credits, made up of 18 compulsory credits, 12 elective credits, 40 community service hours, and each student must pass the Ontario Secondary Literacy Test. We strongly recommend students take more than 30 credits, as not every student knows what they want to take in university. The course types that Kingsway offers are the same as other Ontario high schools. Kingsway offers courses in the grade 9 and 10 levels as academic, applied, or open. Academic courses lead the students towards university, while applied courses lead students towards college. The course options for grade 11 and 12 are university or mixed university college, college and open. We offer approximately 70 different courses that students can choose from. A full load at Kingsway consists of 8 credits, but if a student joins aerials, band, choir, or drama, they could take up to 9 credits each year. We highly recommend that grades 9 and 10 students take 9 credits per year. In grade 9, students take compulsory courses like English, math, science, French, geography, physical education, and religion. They have the option to take ESL courses and information technology. Grade 9 students may also take band, choir, or aerials. Grade 10 students take compulsory courses like English, math, science, Canadian history, careers and civics, and religion. They have the option to take ESL courses, French, band, choir, intro to business, physical education, visual arts, drama, and aerials. When students begin grade 11, they have fewer compulsory credits required, and this is the year that the students start choosing which plan in university they will take. The compulsory credits they are required to take are English, math, and religion. Students now have many options for electives such as chemistry, physics, biology, computer science, computer engineering, accounting, marketing, U.S. history, intro to anthropology, psychology and sociology, personal life management, ESL, physical education, band, choir, drama, and aerials. Grade 12 students have only 2 compulsory credits that they must take, English and religion. Grade 12 offers the most elective courses students may choose from: accounting, small business management, international business, Canadian and international law, biology, chemistry, physics, advanced functions, calculus, writer's craft, ESL, world history, families, personal life management, choir, band, drama, and aerials. Not only do we offer classroom experiences, we offer academic field trips in many of the classes to enhance real-world learning for the students. Our field trips go to the CN Tower, Ottawa, Washington, D.C., and Stratford, to name a few. One thing parents ask us about is how our education program compares to others. We have several different baselines to determine this. To give you an idea how we compare nationally, our standardized test scores are tracked from year to year. In the next few slides, you will see how we implement this process. The first 2 slides are the students who were in grade 10 last year. So we first take a look at what their scores were in their grade 9 year. As you can see, they were well above the national average in all areas. In the grade 10 year, they again scored above the normal average in all skills. This is the grade 11 class in their grade 10 year, and you can see that in mathematics and computation, their scores were slightly below the norm. When we take a look at the grade 11 year, we can see that their mathematics scores greatly improved with a slight drop in literacy. It is trends like this that we use to inform our instruction. When last year's grade 12 class started grade 9, only math and computation were above the norm. In their grade 11 year, algebra was the only subject that was slightly below the national average, and that was due to the test being administered at the beginning of the school year. Students taking the OSLT scored at least 8% higher than the public system represented by the orange bars in the graph. 96% of Kingsway College students graduated after 4 years, compared to 79.6% in the public schools after 4 years. 55% of the entire school body have accumulative averages above 80%. 17% of our students are on honor roll, which means that they have an average of 80% or above with no grade lower than 60%. 38% of our students are on the President's List and have no grade below 80%. Therefore, we have 55% of our student population who have averages above 80%. 71% of our graduates in 2019 were also Ontario Scholars. That means that they have scored at least 480 marks in any combination of ministry-approved courses, providing a total of 6 credits. When students graduate from Kingsway, they have no problem being accepted into a college or university of their choice. Recently, our students have moved on to Adventist universities throughout the U.S. and in Canada to pursue their educational goals. Many students attending Adventist schools receive scholarships up to $57,000. As well, many of our students are accepted at excellent universities in Ontario. Some students continue their studies in the United States, other parts of Canada, and Europe. In 2018, one of our students received a full-ride scholarship to the University of Toronto. Wenting Hu, who was an international student from China, who spent 3 years at Kingsway College before receiving the Lester B. Pearson Scholarship to the University of Toronto Rotman School of Business. The graduating class of 2019 were accepted into many programs which included nursing, engineering, finance, accounting, business management, just to name a few. 100% of the teachers at Kingsway College hold degrees. All are certified teachers, and one of our teachers even holds a PhD. All our teachers are Seventh-day Adventist Christians. Religion courses in each grade teach biblical and Seventh-day Adventist principles. You can check Kingsway's handbook online for a description of what is taught in these courses. Classes begin with worship and prayer each day. There are 19 classroom teachers at Kingsway College, which allows a student-teacher ratio of 14:1. This allows for individualized attention for extra help which students need to be successful. Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday from 3 p.m. till 4 p.m., teachers have office hours where a student can go for extra help. Many teachers offer regular help sessions at lunch, during their spare or after school. Our teachers are always willing to set up appointments to help any student that requires help. Friends are easily accessible as study partners, and students can opt to use BrainFuse, which is an online tutoring service through public libraries. Students with grades lower than 60% are placed on the Student Success Program, which is a required study hall. This program is designed to provide additional information and accountability for students who are struggling academically. Kingsway College has a one-to-one device program. All students are issued Chromebooks at the start of the school year. They use the device to access all needed materials in their courses, and they submit their work through their Chromebook. To further improve communication, all students and parents are issued Kingsway College email addresses. Communication with parents is very important to us. We send home progress reports 5 weeks into each semester, so problems are communicated early. Parent-teacher conferences are scheduled within a week after progress reports are sent home. Report cards are sent home in the middle and end of each semester. Credit and Jeopardy reports are sent home 6 weeks before the end of the semester for students with grades lower than 60% in any course. Parents and students have the ability to check grades online using PowerSchool. Assignments are posted in Schoology. Parents can also keep up to date with upcoming assignments, projects, tests, etc. using these 2 programs. All teachers have their email addresses on our website. Parents may call their extension or send an email anytime they have questions or concerns. If you have any other questions, please contact me at deneensabeau@kingsway.college. I am happy to help in any way I can. The academics of students are very important to us. Kingsway College has teachers and staff members that not only teach our students, but really care for them.
Something I enjoy about being here is meeting the new people and getting to do a lot of the stuff that they offer here, which is really amazing.
would say that the best thing about Kingsway is definitely the environment and the different class challenges. So we have like the big March challenge, and then Golden Unicorn and Mega Marathon. It lets you interact with like everybody and just lets you get to know everyone in your class. And it's
So diverse, and it's a great environment, and you can also have a relationship with Jesus in school and not be judged by that.
It is a place which enlightened me of Christianity and Seventh-day Adventist.
这个学校对他来说非常的特别，尤其有一些宗教的背景，然后让他在这种环境下得到一定的提升，素养一定提升。
I'm really thankful for the opportunity that I get here, so I can know more about God and be more faithful.
他非常感激，就是对这个学校，而且差不多他非常会变得比较忠诚，和变得比较就是faithful信仰。
That it's really helped me grow as a person, and I've got to develop so many skills. I've learned how to be a leader, how to cooperate and work together with other people that have different backgrounds, different cultures, different worldviews.
I like that we have so many cultures here, but you don't need to be afraid to embrace your own as well.
Estamos fazendo intercâmbio aqui já faz 2 meses, estamos achando muito bom. As aulas são muito legais, é muito diferente do Brasil, mas nós estamos gostando muito.
One thing I enjoy about the dorm is the family environment and the way that we're able to have worship together and we're able to study together if we're not so sure about questions. It also allows us to it's a home away from home, because a lot of us are coming from far and it's kind of hard going to school without your parents. So with the deans and your friends around, it's enjoyable.
You have worship with them, so it just lets you build really good friendships. I think like majority should last a lifetime.
And I think that Kingsway is really a place where you can just grow spiritually and grow as a person, and I think that Kingsway will definitely change your life.